Hello everyone. As you know, nowadays we are discussing class 10th English book, that is Footprints Without Feet. Okay, and in this book we are going to discuss the chapter Footprints Without Feet. Guys, as you should know, your, in the previous video we have discussed a few points. Can a man become invisible? If a man wants to be invisible, what types of activities would be for him or her? Okay, so a person who wants to be invisible, who wants to make himself invisible, whose name is Griffin. Okay, whose name is Griffin. So let's start how Griffin makes himself invisible and what happens with him. Okay, so Griffin, a brilliant but a lawless scientist. Okay, first heading about the Griffin is that Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but one demerit was he was lawless scientist. Okay, understood? So let's start. What I have told just I have told you that Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but one demerit for him was that he was lawless scientist. And this is a suggestion for all the readers. Every reader should be lawful. If a reader becomes lawless, that would be so much harmful for him or her. Griffin was a brilliant but a lawless scientist. He had discovered a rare drug. Okay, as you know, Griffin was a brilliant scientist and he wanted to make himself invisible. So he had discovered a rare drug. Guys, as you know, nowadays there is a large discussion over a drug by the actors and actresses, by the NCB, and you can understand why NCB is doing this. If our government is selling wine openly, this is also a kind of poison, this is also a kind of nicotine. Okay, this is also a harmful, but they are great profile. Actor and actresses are in a great profile if they are taking drug. So why? Indirectly you can understand government was next. I don't want to say anything, but this is also a kind of drug. By swallowing it, he became transparent. Okay, when Griffin, the brilliant scientist, used to take a rare drug, he became transparent and solid like a sheet of glass. Okay, to become invisible, he had to take off all his clothes. When Griffin, a great scientist, wanted to make himself invisible, he had to remove off his clothes. Next thing is that set fire to landlord's house. Next thing is that set fire to landlord's house. The landlord of the scientist wanted to drive him out of his house. The landlord of the scientist means here you can say that there was no house of the scientist own. He had to take a rented room, hired room. He used to hire a room. The landlord of the scientist wanted to drive him out of his house. Means the landlord of the house was puzzled by the activities of the Griffin, so he wanted to drive Griffin out of his house. In revenge, Griffin set fire to his house. When Griffin knew about the mentality of his rented owner, he thought a new plan that he should set fire his house. So he set fire his house. Next heading is that escaped after becoming invisible. Escaped, suppose when he started to take a rare drug, he finds himself invisible. But what kinds? But in what way he finds escaped after becoming invisible? To avoid being caught, he swallowed his rare drug and became invisible. When he removed off his clothes, he swallowed his rare drug and became invisible. Wandered in London streets. Okay, this happens in a London street. So he wandered in the street of London once upon a time when he was wandering. Guys, I'm going to tell you the meaning of wandering means walk here and there aimlessly. That is wander. Moneyless means just now when I have told you he has not his own house. He lived with a rented house, but when he was wandering in a London street, he was moneyless, homeless, in the cold, and the season was winter season, as it was winter, and he had to take off his clothes to become invisible. Guys, this is irony. He had to remove off his clothes because without removing his clothes he can't make himself invisible. But he wanted to make himself invisible, so he had to remove off his clothes, and the time was bad, the time was winter season. What happened with him? Next we should know. Two boys followed footprints without feet, because nobody can find him, because he makes himself invisible. In what way you can understand, but once upon a time when he was wandering in a London street, two boys had seen the muddy footprints, okay, of this invisible scientist descending the step of a house. Once upon a time when he was descending the step of a house, two boys followed the footprints of the griffin in the middle of London, but they could not see his feet. Means two boys find himself unable. Okay, so guys, next heading from here, griffin in London store, we will discuss tomorrow. And your homework is that anyhow you should clear your concept.